Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. So today, we will be talking about fungus gnats and how to get rid of them permanently. It is indeed annoying to have pests flying around your garden or house, specifically fungus gnats, as they are as tiny as pests buzzing around your face and ears. Fungus gnats infest our homes when there is enough moisture in the area for fungi or fungi to grow, and most fungus gnat infestation is from overwatered indoor plants. There are many ways to get rid of them. However, there are only few that works best. One of my secrets to get rid of fungus gnat will be revealed in this video. Materials needed in this process is a kettle or a pan or anything where you can boil enough water for a certain amount of garden soil. You can place your garden soil in a sealed container, just enough for your own consumption. As soon as the water boiled in a certain temperature, you can now pour the hot water in a container where you put your garden soil. You can repeat the process if you need more hot water. When there is enough water, you can cover the lid of the container. When the container or the soil cools down, you can add perlite or other fertilizers you desire. Cover the lid and use the treated soil the following day. This process is being tested by me for several times and is proven to work with an excellent result. My home is fungus gnats free and no buzzing sound around my face and ears while I'm doing my stuff around the house. So I hope you like this video and let me know if this process works for you. Again, enjoy your day and happy planting! So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you there!